Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the frequent asking questions, that is what is the difference between SQL and MySQL. Okay, so let's discuss about these things, SQL and MySQL. So firstly we are defining this SQL and MySQL with these parameter, mean their features, definition type and uses from the developer side, and their variants, commands. There are lots of parameters we are actually taking to distinguish between the SQL and MySQL. So, so firstly, let's understand the basic definitions. So basically, SQL is a programming language which used to manage a query inside the database, right? In the same way, if you say the what is MySQL, MySQL is actually a open source relational database management system, or you can simply say RDBMS, which actually uses the SQL. Okay, so SQL is the language and MySQL using that language. So let's understand what is the difference between type. So SQL is a query language, it's not a software, but MySQL is a database software which implements the SQL. And from the uses, it's actually means in SQL it's used to create, read, update or delete operations like CRUD. The relational operations you can perform through the SQL, and in MySQL actually it's used to store the data, it's manage and retrieve the data efficiently. Okay, and from the developer end, developed by IBM in the 1970 as a standard database query language, and similarly MySQL developed by AB and later acquired by Oracle corporations. And let's discuss about variants. Defined database system like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL Server, which actually use SQL as their query language. Similarly, in MySQL, a specific database system that follows SQL standards with some unique features. So let's define some comment executions. So SQL commands can be used in a different database, that is MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle SQL Server, right? And MySQL executes SQL command to manage and manipulate its database, right? And the thing is, SQL is standard language and it's not a software, so it's completely not an open source. And MySQL is actually open source, but it also has an commercial versions. Okay, so you can understand what are the main difference between SQL and MySQL. Actually SQL is the language, a structured query language, and MySQL actually provides the platform where we can perform the SQL operations, right? So hope you can understand the difference between the SQL and MySQL. And still, if you have any questions about this video, please comment in a below comment sections. So thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video.